Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. My warmest greetings to all Dabaweños as we celebrate the 89th araw ng Davao. For nearly 9 decades, Davao City has flourished because of a unique brand of civic pride. Our progress is built on a solid foundation of mutual trust. Ang kalampusan sa Davao nagikan sa aktibong partisipasyon sa Matag Dabaweño. This trust remains strong because of our shared culture of security and the city's tradition of open dialogue. In Davao, the people are not just spectators. You are active partners in keeping our homes safe and our government focused. When challenges arise, we face them together, reporting concerns, helping our neighbors, and holding our leadership to a higher standard. Ang tinuod nga kusog sa atong dakbayan anaa sa inyong pagpakabana. Because you are vigilant, our city remains a haven of order. Because you support the vision, our city continues to grow. Let us work together to protect this peace and the legacy of a government that listens. Magtinabangay kita sa pagsiguro nga ang Davao magpabilin nga dakbayan sa oportunidad ug mahimong lig-on nga dangpanan sa paglaom alang sa tanan. Happy 89th araw ng Davao. Mahalon nato ang Pilipinas para sa Diyos sa nasod ug matag pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.